to the fifth one. Joe borrowed 560,000 to buy a house. He pays the bank 15.4% per annum compounded monthly over 30 years. Calculate his monthly repayments. So we write down our information again. This is our present value. This is our interest. And this is our N. Present value, 500,000. Our interest, it's 15.4 divide by 12 because it's monthly repayments, so it's 12. N is 30 years times 12. You're looking for PMT. Bring your calculator. Is your present value. 15.4 divided by 12 is equals to your interest. 30 times 12 is your N. You come PMT. Write it down. 7260